Hi guys, this is Module 7, Lesson 14. Today we will use inch rulers to measure objects. Hoy vamos a usar una regla de pulgadas para medir objetos. Okay, so we've seen inch rulers before, but in the fall, we learned about centimeter rulers. Okay, so this is a centimeter ruler. And the important thing about a centimeter ruler is that it has centimeters. And if you remember, in the fall we used small centimeter cubes to measure. All right, so look at how small a centimeter is. But an inch ruler, okay, even though the actual ruler itself is the same size as a centimeter ruler, okay, this one is made up of inches, and inches are bigger than centimeters. So if I put them together, okay, you can see that the actual ruler is the same size, okay? And if you have a ruler in real life with you, you might notice that one side of the ruler has centimeters and the other has inches, okay? So the ruler doesn't change. What is changing is what we're measuring with, our units. So remember, a centimeter, this small, but an inch, look, it's about the size of 2 centimeters put together. So an inch is bigger than a centimeter. And if you look at how many centimeters are in a ruler, there are 30 centimeters because they're small, but they're only 12 inches because inches are bigger than centimeters, okay? So, en el otoño aprendimos sobre las reglas de centímetros, que es esta de acá arriba, y aprendimos que los centímetros son pequeños. Mira qué pequeño es un centímetro. Ahorita estamos aprendiendo sobre las reglas de pulgadas, que es esta que tengo acá abajo. Y las reglas de pulgadas, las reglas mismas son iguales. Si tienes una regla en tu casa, puedes ver que un lado tiene pulgadas y el otro lado, lo más probable es que tiene centímetros, ¿ok? Pero lo importante que notar es que los centímetros son pequeños y las pulgadas son más grandes, son casi igual a 2 centímetros, ¿ok? Entonces, las pulgadas son casi el doble de un centímetro. Y aunque ves que las dos reglas son del mismo tamaño, ¿ok? Fíjate que como los centímetros son más pequeños, hay 30 centímetros, pero las pulgadas son más grandes y la misma regla tiene 12 pulgadas, ¿ok? Porque son más grandes, así es que vas a usar menos pulgadas para cubrir la misma distancia, ¿ok? So, let's try to measure with our ruler, okay? So we're going to measure a fork right now. And here's my fork. Here's my ruler, okay? So, what you're going to do is you need to make sure that you line up your object to where the ruler starts measuring. For example, you might notice that there's a little bit of space here in between where the ruler starts and where my first line is that marks where I need to start measuring. Okay, I'm not going to line up objects to the edge of my ruler. I'm going to line them up to this line here. Okay, so I'm going to bring my fork over. All right, and if I line it up here to where my line starts, okay, right at the beginning here. Okay, make sure it's lined up to the beginning of your measuring line. And then I look at my other end of my fork, and it's really close to the 8. It's big, it's past 7. It's not quite at 8, but it's almost at 8. So I'm going to say the fork is 8 inches long. Okay. Aquí, asegúrate que la orilla de tu tenedor lo pongas a donde empieza a medir tu regla. Si te fijas, hay como un espacio entre donde empieza la regla y la primera línea de medir. Okay. Tienes que poner tu objeto que estás midiendo en la línea, no en la mera orilla de tu regla, porque a veces el espacio es muy grande y eso va a hacer una diferencia en tu medida, ¿ok? Entonces aquí empieza mi tenedor y voy a mirar dónde termina, el punto de término. Y se pasa del 7 y casi llega al 8, así es que voy a decir que el tenedor mide 8 pulgadas de largo, ¿ok? And it didn't write the first time. Alright, so mide 8 pulgadas de largo. Okay, y eso es todo. Alrighty, so here it says how long is the can. So here's my soda can, here's my ruler. So if you notice, maybe my soda can, so if I want to measure how long it is, here. Okay, but my ruler isn't in that direction. You're just going to move your ruler. Okay, So if you have a ruler in front of you, it would be easy to move it. Otherwise, let me show you how I'm going to do it on my screen. So if I move my ruler, I'm going to turn it this way. Okay, and I'm going to move it. And I'll move my soda can. Let me see, I'll move my soda can also to my beginning. Oops, guys. So, I'm going to see that my soda can is right past the 5, so I'm going to say it's 5 inches long. Alright, the can is 5 inches long. Mi lata, si te fijas aquí, está justito pasado del 5, así es que la lata mide 5 pulgadas de largo. ¿Ok? Siempre mueve tu objeto que estás midiendo o tu regla para que puedas medir lo largo. Okay? So, this one says, how long is the TV remote? So I have my TV remote and my ruler. Okay? So same thing, just either turn your remote or turn the ruler so that you can measure it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna turn my remote this time. Okay. And alrighty. So I'm gonna line it up right to my line on the ruler. And so here's my first endpoint right there. Here's my second endpoint. Oops, second endpoint. So it's between the 8 and the 9, okay? So here, because it's past the 8, okay, I'm just going to say it's 8 inches long, okay, because it's not quite at the 9, all right? It's right in the middle. I'm going to say the TV remote is 8 inches long, okay? Así es que el control de la televisión mide 8 pulgadas de largo, okay? Y eso es todo. So guys, for your exit ticket, I know not all of you have rulers at home, so you're going to choose what to do for your exit ticket, okay? If you have an inch ruler at home, all right, I want you to measure your shoe and fill in the blank. So I'm going to see your sentence. My shoe is blank inches long. Okay, that's only if you have a ruler. If you don't have an inch ruler, that's totally fine. If you don't have an inch ruler, you're going to guess how long your shoe is and fill in the blank. So you're going to say, I think my shoe is blank inches long. Okay? And guys, make sure, so you have seen an inch ruler before, alrighty? So if you don't have one, make a guess, alrighty? And turn that into Class Dojo, alright? So, en tu exit ticket, okay, yo sé que no todos tienen una regla de pulgadas en tu casa, así que vas a escoger tu trabajo. Si tienes una regla de pulgadas, mide tu zapato y llena la oración. Vas a entregar esta oración. Mi zapato mide algunas pulgadas de largo. ¿Ok? Pero si no tienes regla de pulgadas, está bien. Lo que vas a hacer es que vas a adivinar cuánto mide tu zapato y llena la oración. Pienso que mi zapato mide algunas pulgadas de largo. ¿Ok? Así es que si tienes regla de pulgadas, mide tu zapato. Y si no, vas a adivinar cuánto mide tu zapato. ¿Ok? Alrighty guys, see you tomorrow.